Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're going to learn how to say we, you plural, and they in Arabic. Let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1. Alright, so the word for we is nahnu. Nahnu. And when it comes to you plural, again we have two types. We have the masculine and we have the feminine. The masculine is antum. Antum. And we use antum when we are referring to an all-male group or a mixed group. Even if there's one guy in a group of 50 people, for example, we have 49 girls and one guy, we still have to use antum. And for an all-female group, we use antunna. Antunna. And when it comes to they, it's the same thing. We have the masculine version, hum, and the feminine version, hunna. Hunna. Alright, great. Now let's move on to table 2 to learn how to make a word go from singular to plural. There are two types of plural in Arabic, the masculine plural and the feminine plural. In order to form the masculine plural, we need to add una or ina to the end of our word. Now let's look at the first word. Muallim plus una or ina, muallimuna or muallimina. This means a group of male teachers or a mixed group of teachers, both males and females. Now there's something that I would like to point out. When we say muallimuna with that a at the end, that's the last vowel of the word. And in Arabic, the last vowel of a word is optional to pronounce. So we could either say muallimuna, pronounce the a at the end, or just say muallimun and just leave it out. And for simplicity, we're going to drop the last vowel of every word. Alright, now let's learn the feminine plural. In order to form the feminine plural, we need to add at to the end of our word. So that would be muallim plus at. Muallimat. Muallimat. Muallimat means a group of female teachers. Alright, now let's look at the second word, muhandis, an engineer. The masculine plural would be muhandis plus un or in, muhandisun or muhandisin. And the feminine, muhandis plus at, muhandisat. The third word is mumarrid, a nurse. Masculine plural, mumarridun or mumarridin. Feminine plural, mumarridat. And the last word is tabbakh, a cook. Masculine plural, tabbakhun or tabbakhin. And the feminine plural, tabbakhat. Alright, that's all the grammar that we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the vocabulary table. Alright, the first word, teacher, muallim, engineer, muhandis, nurse, mumarrid, cook, tabbakh, artist, fannan, painter, rassam, driver, sa'iq, photographer, musawwir, manager, mudir. Alright, great. Now that we know the grammar and the vocabulary, let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1, we guys are teachers. Nahnu muallimun or nahnu muallimin. Number 2, you guys are engineers. Antum muhandisun or antum muhandisin. Number 3, you girls are artists. Antunna fannanat. Number 4, they guys are cooks. Hum tabbahun or hum tabbakhin. Number 5, they, girls, are painters. هن رسامات. Number 6, we, girls, are photographers. نحن مصورات. Number 7, you, guys, are managers. أنتم مديرون or أنتم مديرين. Number 8, you, girls, are nurses. أنتن ممرضات. Number 9, they, guys, are teachers. هم معلمون or هم معلمين. Number 10, they, girls, are engineers. هن مهندسات. Number 11, we, guys, are drivers. نحن سائقون or نحن سائقين. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, please leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.